Welcome and thank you for ordering the Covert Copy Traffic plugin. Now before you continue, we have an important one-time special offer for new members only. This is optional, but you're only ever going to see this video once, so please pay attention. If you snooze, you lose. How would you like to gain an almost unfair advantage over everyone else? Well, now you can when you put your profits in overdrive with the too powerful to make public advanced features of Covert Copy Traffic Pro. The Pro version has been specifically designed to maximize your clicks and profits from using Covert Copy Traffic. But before I show you how, we need to get two things straight. When we say too powerful to make public, we mean it. In order to make this exclusive and as effective as possible for you, Covert Copy Traffic Pro will only ever be offered to existing members. We also want to be completely honest with you and say that one of the Pro features is so powerful that we are going to offer this as a standalone product later on at a much higher price. So if you leave this page, the low early bird price you see below will be gone forever. This is a true one-time offer. And with that out of the way, let's take a look at what Covert Copy Traffic Pro can do and how it can increase your clicks and sales. Now the first feature that's included is a full message box with powerful macros. Now you'll remember in the standard version you were able to add a line of text and a link automatically whenever people copy and paste. In the Pro version you can still do that, but you also have the option to use this message box where you can create much more like a bio box like you would do in article marketing, or basically you can put anything you want in here, any kind of ad, any kind of bio box. And you can also use these powerful macros that automatically insert your link, your blog's title, your tagline, the current date and current time. You can even use this message box along with the normal attribution links from the standard version. Use this on its own, use them both at the same time, or any combination. And obviously this also means that you can add more links, more than one link to each attribution message, because you can just in text form add more links in here. So this is a powerful feature in the Pro version where you can make ads like that, and these have been tested and shown to generate about 10 times the clicks than the normal version does with just the text and the link. Because this is what happens when people copy and paste your content. Now they get this bio box here with the information inserted and the link, and this catches their attention much better and it's much more likely to get the clicks. And the ability to make a box like this or any kind of ad you want in here and use multiple links is exclusive to the Pro version. Another big feature in the Pro version is the ability to stop the site scraping content thieves and automatically get a backlink when anybody scrapes your blog. Now I might have to explain this because when we were looking at a way to solve the copy and paste problem, we also started thinking about another big problem, and that is people scraping and auto-blogging your blog content. Basically every single WordPress blog has an RSS feed, and there are about 1 million plugins out there that let people take your RSS feed and automatically import all your content to their blog. And obviously when they do so, you get absolutely no links or benefits or anything from that. And in the worst case scenario, these guys will even outrank you for your own content. So we started thinking about what we could do to combat that. And that's why in the Pro version here, we also have what we call syndication of the feed settings. And just by checking one box, you can include your attribution message and links in your feeds. And you can even select to use an anchor text in there, either go by your site's title, the actual post title of the content, or you can insert a custom anchor text that will be used in your links. And what then happens is, in your feeds, your attribution message will be automatically inserted. Now your normal blog visitors on your blog, when they read your post, they will not see this. This is only showing in your feeds. But when somebody auto-blogs or scrapes your content, this will be added to the blogs, to the post they pull into that blog, meaning that you will get a backlink every single time with a keyword-rich anchor text that you select up here. And this is obviously good for SEO, and it actually means that you're probably more than willing to sit back and let people scrape your content to their heart's content, because now you actually get backlinks and SEO benefit from it. It also means that Google will be more likely to see that you're the original owner of the content, making it very unlikely that people will outrank you for your own content. So the ability to add your attribution to your feeds and automatically have backlinks when people scrape your content is another exclusive pro feature. And finally, I think I saved the best for last here. We've included a one-click script generator. That means that you can use the Covert copy traffic features on any website, not just WordPress. And what happens is you go into, and this is in your WordPress admin area, so you don't have to install anything else. It's already there. You just select your settings like you normally would do for the WordPress version, and then you click one button, and it gives you this script. And you simply paste that in to any website, other website you had, and you'll be using the Covert copy traffic features on any website outside of WordPress. And if this looks like some technical mumbo jumbo to you, don't worry. All you have to do is cut and paste this in. You don't have to change anything in this. And you'll notice there's a help link up here, and this actually leads to a full video tutorial showing you where exactly to put these two sections of code here on your site to make it work. So the ability to use Covert copy traffic on any website outside of WordPress is also an exclusive feature that's included with the Pro version. But action speaks louder than words, so I've just shown you in screenshots, but now I actually want to show you exactly what's under the hood, how Covert Copy Traffic Pro works, and what it can do for you. And in order to do that, I'm going to take you inside my WordPress admin area and showing you the Pro version of the plugin in action. So we head in here to my WordPress admin area, and we locate the Covert Copy Traffic Pro menu here, and we go into settings. Now, if you watch the video on the first page, you'll notice that this section here is the same. So the stuff that's in the standard plugin is obviously also included in the Pro version. But then you have the option to use the attribution message here. That was the first thing I showed you, and you can use it either on its own, just use that, or use it together with the attribution link, or just use the attribution link. Right now I'm just gonna use the message, and I prepared one in advance here, and I'm just gonna paste that in, and that was the one you saw in the screenshot. So if I paste that in there and update my settings, and then we go in here and refresh the blog. And again, like I did before, we pretend to be someone who copy and pastes. They copy and paste the text here, and then my message shows up here. And if I don't want the text to show up there, I can take that out as well. I will just refresh. And not open Thunderbird, that was not what I want to do. Sucks when you can't hit the right buttons. Alright, so there we go. I removed that watch the video link text before the link there, and that's what I'm able to do. And obviously this is just a test message I made, but you have your macros here, and you can like put anything you want in this text. And one of the ways you can use this is you can have one link here for something else completely, and then also include the attribution link and have that above or below the message to have the actual one for the copy content. So this gives you a lot of freedom to construct cool looking bio boxes or AdWords or whatever you want that people will actually notice and click on. So that was one feature there. The next feature was the syndication feed, and that's very, very, very easy to do, because you've just constructed your attribution link and message up here, whatever you want to include. All you have to do to turn it on for your feeds is check the box and update settings. And then you have the anchor text options here, where you can either do the anchor text for the link should be your post title, or the site title for your main blog site title, or a custom anchor text that you can define right here. I'm happy with the post page title here, so all I have to do is click Update Settings. And again, if we refresh it here, you'll notice that it did not add anything to the actual post. You don't want your normal blog visitors to be able to see this attribution. This is only for the feeds and for when people scrape your feeds and auto-blog it. But if we go into my feed here, this is a feed for this blog, you will notice that it now has the attribution in here with a clickable anchor text link, and the anchor text here is the actual post title, which is usually what you're trying to rank for with the post anyway, but you can make it your blog's title or a custom anchor text word or phrase. And this is added to every single post in my feed. And whenever people scrape an auto blog from my feed, this section here will be added to their blog post, meaning I will get a keyword-rich anchor texted link back to my site every time people auto blog my content. And that means I'm actually quite happy to let them auto blog to their heart's content, because now I finally benefit from it. So that was the attribution message and the syndication feeds, which is unique to the Pro version. And then finally, the standalone script. As you see, there's nothing mysterious here. You just choose the settings just as you would for the WordPress version. And when you're happy with it, all you have to do is click Generate Script. It generates the script, and you put these two sections of code on your web page. It tells you where to put it just before the closing head tag. And if you're not sure how to do that, if you click the help link up here, there's a full video tutorial showing how to do it. But once you put this on your website, the Covert copy traffic script will work on any website you have. Any website that's not WordPress. And that means you put it on and one of your pages, people copy and paste there. It will add the attribution message and link there as well. So with this powerful standalone script feature, the Covert copy traffic plugin will work on any website outside of WordPress too. So these were the unique Pro version features, and I'm just going to take you back to the slides now and say that I probably had you at 10 times the click and profit and traffic, but you're probably sitting there thinking, what's the Covert Copy Traffic Pro plugin going to cost me? Much less than you think. But first, let's recap exactly what's included. You get the attribution message builder, where you can create these stunning ads and bio boxes that will generate a lot more clicks from your links. You can use those powerful macros to automatically insert your links, the time, the title, your blog title, and so on in your messages. You can add your attribution to your feeds, so you automatically put them in your feed. They automatically get included when people scrape an auto blog from you, and you get backlinks whenever people do so. You can use the keyword-rich anchor text to automatically add them to your attribution links in your feeds, so you get increased SEO benefits when people scrape and auto blog your content. And finally, and perhaps the most powerful feature, with the one-click script generator, you can use the Covert Copy Traffic plugin on any website, not just on your WordPress blogs. You also get free lifetime updates to the plugin, and if you order right now, you'll also get multi-site and developer's license included at no extra cost. And that means you can use the Pro version on as many of your own blogs as you like. You can include the Pro plugin on sites you flip or on sites you build for clients. But remember, the price you see below is a one-time offer. So click the button below to secure your Pro upgrade now.